Good morning mga kamaster. May buntag sa tanan, maulanan nga kabuntagon sa tanan. Portuguese video.
What? No, all right. I know that sounds bad.
Portuguese. Ay, Portuguese with Portuguese.
You didn't have to cut me off. I could never know we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger, and I feel so loved. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Now you're just somebody that I used to know.
For this video. Kapuya mag-vlogger. Oy.